welcome to our YouTube channel Pakko Arts. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Today we are knowing about the Battle of Plassey, which was held in 1757. This was the battle between the Nawabs and the company. Firstly, Ali Vardhan Khan, the Nawab of Bengal, died in 1756. So his grandson Siraj ud Daula came to the throne. So the Battle of Plassey took place between the young Nawaba Siraj ud Daula and the British. First we will study about the reasons for this battle. First, the misuse of dastaks. The dastaks was issued by the Farrukhsira of Mughal Emperor. So Siraj ud Daula was furious that the dastak was misused by the company official, which causes the loss for the company. So this is the main reasons for the battle. And another one is mending of fort without permission. So the British repaired the fort of Calcutta and placed cannon in them. This further angered Siraj ud Daula and he ordered to remove for the cannons. So the British officer refuses to do it. So this leads to the enmity between the Nawaba and company. And another one, Black Room tragedy. So in that same fort, Siraj ud Daula attacked in Fort William and imprisoned the Englishmen. He imprisoned 146 Englishmen, in which 123 were died. This is known as the Black Hole tragedy. This enlarged the Robert Clive and arrived in Bengal with a huge army. So the Robert Clive, attracted by the rich locals like Manik Chand, Homin Chand and Jagat Seth and other towards him. The first main thing in this battle is Robert Clive was successful in convincing the Mir Jafar, the military head of Siraj ud Daula, to stay neutral in the battle by offering the post of Nawaba of Bengal. So this enlarged Mir Jafar accepted the offer of the Robert Clive and became neutral in the battle. So everything go according to the plan of Robert Clive. So war was declared against the Siraj ud Daula and company. Siraj ud Daula, who tried to escape from the battlefield, was captured and killed in June 23, 1757. So what are the outcomes? So this war brought about the immoralities among the Indians and lack of unity among the Indians and the greed of Indian businessmen. This war leads to decrease the unity of the Indians. So as the treaty between the Robert Clive and Mir Jafar became the Nawaba of Bengal. So by this battle, the company gained exclusive rights to trade in Bengal. So last one is the Mir Jafar had to pay 17 crores 70 lakhs to the company as Siraj ud Daula was attacked to the Fort William. So after several times, Mir Jafar became uncomfortable to the company and the British projected Mir Jafar as an inefficient Nawaba and brought in his nephew Mir Qasim as the new Nawaba. And the further battle leads to the Battle of Buxar, which was held in 1764 between Mir Qasim and Hector Monroe. Thank you.